it's Kelly and today we're gonna do a Vlogmas day 6 and we're gonna try out this Thai snacks from 5 flavor. So I'm very excited to try all the snacks, and I have my friend here, Sakura. She will be behind the scenes. Are you gonna say hi? Hi! Yeah, and we have no makeup on right now. Literally just woke up. Having my coffee now. So she's gonna like choose and then let me try. So you can choose. And I've already like tried this too. Later on like we'll try out together. Okay, so first one. Sakura chose this. A crispy mushroom and protein. It says crispy mushroom having protein and fiber. Yeah, so all these snacks that I am trying out will be linked below. So you can go check it out. Deep fried oyster mushroom. Doesn't say the flavor.
Another variation of it, but I don't know what's the difference.
This is enoki mushroom, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Crazy, yo.
YouTube vlogger style.
YouTube vlogger style. Can I try? I don't know how to describe. It's like fried taupo kind of feeling.
And I'm gonna pack a punch.
I'm gonna pack a punch. Still addictive though. I mean like the crunch is there.
How's the enoki one?
Let's try it. Like that.
It almost looks like
Ikan bilis.
yeah.
Like this.
Or like mami noodle, you know.
A bit of like saltiness or seasoning.
It lacks like the MSG.
Yeah, it lacks MSG. How will you rate it? I think like 5 upon 10. It's alright only.
Yeah. I'm gonna show it to you.
Okay, show it to me. Okay. So this next one is, I think like a chocolate pillow. Yeah, chocolate pillow. Like Hello Panda. All you Asian kids out there, you definitely know what Hello Panda is.
I think it's made in Singapore, right? Hello Panda.
It's only big in Singapore?
Oh my god, I always assume it was.
Oh my god, this pillow is actually huge.
Oh, so cute.
You know the
Cocoa Crunch
yeah.
has a variation
Yeah.
of this now. Give them a cross section of it.
Oh, not what I expected.
I expected it to flow out.
Yeah, I feel like
A little bit liquidy.
maybe it's because like the pillows that we eat is very chocolatey. This one is like a chewy kind of like,
But it's
like
also,
mochi chocolate is like feeling.
it's nice if you consider it like something else.
If you don't have like prior knowledge to Cocoa Crunch pillows or like any form of Singaporean chocolate pillow snacks, right? Then this one will be quite interesting.
Next one.
We have the strawberry flavor, really chocolate flavor. This is the greeny strawberry yogurt flavored multi-grain snack with strawberry yogurt cream filling. And then this is the greeny chocolate but multi-grain snack with chocolate cream filling. Oh, this is strawberry yogurt. Today we're like outdoor, so background sound will be like super crazy, but I just wanted a change of an environment. Okay, so this looks like that. Nasak different in color.
Unexpected. The filling is white because of the yogurt. Which one do you prefer though?
I like the chocolate one.
Yeah, the strawberry taste is a bit
Super
like
thick.
artificial, right?
But I have the next one. This one is like highly raved. This is the crunchy butter toast. I've seen a lot of people like buying this from her, from their website also. So I'm gonna give it a try. This packaging, perfect if you wanna ziplock it back after consuming it.
This is no MSG, no butter, no oil.
No butter, no oil, but this is made from fresh butter though. Okay, claim? Where is it? Where's the claim? Oh, show them. This is 100% butter.
Oh, I said no butter.
Yeah. No oil, no MSG. Okay,
I'm fake news.
give it a go.
Mmm.
Nice? Is it good?
They sprinkled sugar over it.
Very buttery. I like this.
And the taste of the bread itself is nice.
Yeah.
Have you eaten this like garlic toast
Yeah.
version of this?
Small packet.
It reminds me
Green
of this.
and yellow. That was like childhood. You know, after swimming class, you'll go and grab that.
At the mini mart.
Yeah, the minimart auntie hates me.
Why?
It always take very long to like choose what I want. You can only buy one.
That's like the core of Asian
Parents.
Yeah.
Even at like Toys R Us, like for Christmas you can only get one toy. Comment down below if your Asian parents are like that. You can only get one item from one store, especially in one day. Right?
If I'm just on that day, right, you're not gonna get a present.
Yeah.
They train us on like seizing opportunities.
And decision making skills. Okay, these other two, right, I tried already, but I want Sakura to try because it's so good.
You can take a look at the logo.
Wait, gotta tell you guys that this is 10 upon 10.
Cause eating like normal is just too boring. Can we just zoom in on that shit?
So this is the one that I've tried. This is the crispy pork skin. And it's in tom yum flavor.
Okay.
So good.
It looks really good.
I actually tried it on IG already, but I wanted Sakura to try it.
Below.
Yeah, I don't know if it's like a little bit like stale right now because I put it in my aircon room for a while. Nice, right?
This is good.
Good, right?
Oh, it's super
Spicy, right?
spicy.
Yeah, it hits you at the
Like
throat.
3 seconds after you
Yeah,
eat it.
so good. I love it.
Okay.
Oh, I got this
Spicy.
weird ass like rash here. Yeah, spicy. And try the other one also. Quite nice. Wait. So this one, this is the crispy pork, right? And it's super hot, super spicy, and I'll show you the bigger piece.
There's a bit of like lime aftertaste.
Yeah, because it's tom yum. Sour soup, yeah, tom yum.
Oh.
Okay. And then it looks like that. So good. So that like I want to get more of this.
Oh.
Wow, that is
Smell.
spicy too. So this one, at first, right, I didn't really like this. Okay, so there are two different ones. This is the crispy pork and then this is the chili. So this is like deep fried chili and this is tom yum flavored. And then you can just add it into your porridge or your rice, whatever. And I think they have different flavors to this. So this is 10 upon 10. This is like maybe 9 upon 10. First taste, it was meh. But after that, right, yesterday I tried it with like sausage or like noodles. So good. So it looks like this. This is like real ass chili. Like chili padi.
Oh my god.
But like, fret not, it's not too spicy.
Fret not, guys.
Fret not. Hey, really, you try. So good. And this is like tom yum flavor too. Because I requested for like both tom yum.
No, I prefer this one.
How you like the chili one more?
I like this more.
Why? Because this one tastes too porky or like too seafood.
No, this one tastes, I'm not a fan of like pork skin, right? Yeah, the texture of it is too hollow.
Oh, is it? This one has more like
This one
layers and complexity.
I like this a lot. And that one's more spicy, my opinion.
Yeah, this is more spicy.
Yeah.
Super good, I love it. So good. Spicy. What's your rating on that?
I think this is a 10 out of 10. This is a 9 out of 10.
Is it? Oh my god! I'm gonna buy more.
Things exciting.
You think your parents will like it if I
My
bring it?
parents don't really eat spicy food.
Right?
Yeah.
Damn, yeah, I want to bring for Christmas.
And then you can bring other the other people.
Hello sis, that cover is for this.
I was wondering if it fit.
Once our colleagues Thai chili sauce.
Oh, that's super bomb.
Super duper good. We actually tried it, so I'll just insert some clips of us like trying it. I bought 5 bottles, so my mom was like giving it out to her friends, and then Sakura also bought. So we're gonna show you how it looks. It's called Dipping Sauce. Very cute pun. Okay, so this one is Sakura's pack.
My address on it.
Oh shit.
You know, like on TikTok, there's this filter where you like shake your voice. What is going on here?
What the fuck? Okay, so this is dipping sauce by Kwan. Kwani, our colleague put in a lot of effort to make this. So, cause like you know the chili sauce and all the ingredients are all like hand cut.
Yeah.
Hand cut.
It's very handmade and homemade.
Yeah, homemade.
Yeah.
And then look at the design, so pretty. And then they have like 3 variations. The spice level, we have mild, medium, and what? Hell yeah, like extreme. So we always go for the medium. We bought the medium
I love
also,
medium.
right? Yeah, so good. And then like she'll give us like a mini sample pack too. And then there's a QR code. They direct us to
Instagram.
yeah, Instagram, right? So if you want it, you can DM her at Dipping Sauce, and also for 5 flavor if you guys want to buy it. They have their Instagram and also the website. I'll just like link all down below in my description box if you guys are interested. This is not sponsored. Actually, is it sponsored? It's gifted. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next vlogmas. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah. And